Hi friends! Thanks for coming to Circle Time today. Let's start with our hello song. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Great job! Okay, let's sing our days of the week. And we will wiggle our fingers today. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, let's sing our months. Ready? January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December. 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! Okay, my friends. Yesterday we counted slow. So today we are going to count fast. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And today is number 19. Should we count again really fast? One more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Whew! That is a lot of counting. Great job, friends. Okay, it is Friday. It's the end of the week, so let's get our alligators out. Ready? See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Not so quick, little chick, chip, 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 chip. Not so soon, baboon. Ooh, 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 ooh. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time for play.